Hello, welcome to Data Dave. I'm Dave. Let's talk about Excel spreadsheets, specifically about finding simple ways to become more productive. Excel is one of the most adaptable programs at your disposal. It can be used as a simple calculator, as a form template, as a single-use ready reckoner, fact finder or questionnaire, to interrogate data extracts. It can even be used as a primary data extraction, translation and output tool using Power BI and Power Pivot. And yet, developing even the simplest spreadsheets can be challenging, and they can be frustrating to put together. The good news is that small tweaks can significantly improve productivity. Over the 25 years I've managed data, I've learned to work smart, not hard. So I can help you make Excel work for you, not against you. So why not block half an hour to an hour out of your diary for a quick call to assess your needs? If you've already outgrown the capabilities of Excel and are considering your next options, watch out for my next video short, when spreadsheets can no longer cope. If you've liked what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, then please let me know why. You can contact me on my websites or via LinkedIn using the links below. And the most important thing to do is share, because if you don't need me right now, I'm sure there are plenty of people you know who do. So thanks for watching and bye for now. This is Dave signing off from Data Dave.